Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will unbox, build, and in the end I'll give my impression on the KBD67 Lite. I'm really excited for this kit as this is technically my first gasket mount keyboard. I'm dying to find out what's all the hype is about. So let's begin with the unboxing. Okay, as you open the box, you will be greeted with some documentation about KBD fans' lack of confidence in their soldering. Next, they've included a carrying case, which I'll actually be using to store my other keyboard. But in my opinion, it would have been better if they included extra plates instead, as this adds more customization options when building the kit. Okay, now we open the case and let's see what's inside. These are extra screws, rubber feet, and a torque wrench. Looks like they've included everything for you to build and maintain the board. The kit also includes stabilizer foam stickers, but I'll not be using it for this build. Next is a reminder of KBD fans' lack of confidence in their soldering. A coiled USB cable to add to my huge collection of USB cables. And finally, the keyboard itself. And it's surprisingly really light. This is definitely way lighter than the NK65 NT edition. But let's see how it performs when built. Okay, before we begin the build, let's see if the keyboard powers up. Okay, it's time for me to shut up and let's begin the build. Let's start with the factory lube stabilizers. Good job to KBD fans. This is the first factory lube stabilizers that are almost perfect out of the box. But then I might just be lucky and have gotten a good sample. We move to the metal thread inserts. This solves the issue that the NK65 entry edition has of their cases cracking when you over tighten the screws. Having metal inserts is a must for plastic cases. So kudos to KBD fans for including one. Next, I'm surprised by KBD fans' lack of confidence in the quality of their solder. I'm not sure why they are so worried about their hot swap sockets would come off. I've built a couple of hot swap keyboards before and I've yet to encounter a single hot swap socket coming off. But again, I might just be lucky. But in case one does come off, in theory, it should be easy to solder it back. And finally, is this the best entry custom keyboard kit right now? My straight answer is no. And it's not the NK65 either. Because as of the moment, aside from switches, stabilizers, and keycaps, there isn't really anything else you can customize on those boards. Although I'm hoping KBD fans would release more plate options, perhaps a mute silicone of different stiffness, and finally an aluminum case as an upgrade path for this kit. So right now, if you are serious about getting into the custom keyboard hobby, the Tofu kit is still what I would recommend. The plate options alone would be enough to keep you busy rebuilding your keyboard for quite a while. It's still the best kit to find your preference, and finding your preference is the single most important aspect of this hobby. It's after all called a custom keyboard, which means it's customized to your preference or what's best for you. That's it. Thanks for watching.